and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the Samsung Buds+. That's what you have, the Samsung Buds+. This comes in different colors. What's in the box? In the box, I have the earphone, the earpiece. You got two. And it's come in the size of the hair, so a hair lobe, so you can just plug it in your hair lobe. It has a little bit of case. This is where you charge the earpiece. You plug it into your cable charger and it charges, and I think it holds for about a lot of hours. And it comes with spare the hairbud covers, and then you have the cable, the charging cable as well. So it's very lovely, and this is my partner's one. This works very well with the Samsung. This is a Samsung S20 FE, the fan edition, and he uses this earpiece with this phone. With the good thing about it, you don't have to reach out for your phone every time. You can just, plug this into your ears, and then once your phone rings, you tap the earpiece twice and the phone switches from your handset into your ear. And if you want to listen to music as well, you tap it 3 times and your music starts on your phone. So you can hide your phone anywhere around you, maybe in your pocket, in your handbag, put the earbuds on, and then you're good to go. So this is quite good, very nice. I've done the Apple one before, the Apple Buds, and they work similar. This is probably about the same price. This one is $179 currently, and the other one as well, the Apple one, is roughly about that. I use the Apple one because it syncs better with the Apple phone, and my partner uses the Samsung Buds+. It comes in different colors. We got it in the black, and it's quite good and it's lovely. I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.